Today I'm out on the airgun range with something very different from anything else I've shot in the past. And that is, I am here with the Daisy 777. It is a 10-meter match pistol, single stroke pneumatic 177 caliber. And man, this thing it's in absolutely pristine condition. And I don't know if whoever owned this before me, if they ever shot it or rarely shot it, but it's in absolutely great condition. Also, the manual states that the velocity of this pistol is 360 feet per second. You know, generally, when the manufacturers state their velocities, that's like at the high extreme range on like the hottest day, shooting the lightest pellet, you know, with the wind behind you, whatever, to get that velocity. I tested this pistol and it averaged 396.8 feet per second. So that is way better than what the manufacturer state that this pistol shoots out of the box. Anyway, I got a target down range at 10 meters. I'm going to do a 5-shot group, and then I'm going to put up some silhouette targets and, you know, a reasonable distance for that velocity, and see if I can hit them with open sights. Let's get started. You know, actually first, let's take a look at this pistol. As I stated, for as old as this pistol is, its condition, yeah, the box isn't in, you know, the greatest of shape, but it's not in the worst of shape either. And, you know, I can't complain with that for as old as this pistol is, which I don't remember what year these things were made, but I think somewhere in the 90s. I could be wrong. Came with everything. Cleaning kit, adjustment tool, even has some Daisy pellets in here, which they don't state where they are made. International match pellets. But let's take a look at this pistol. And, you know, you have to see this thing for yourself, but it is an absolute, I mean, absolute beauty. And when I say pristine condition, I mean absolutely pristine condition. I did clean the barrel before I shot it because the manual actually states that. And this pump handle does kind of flop around a little bit when there's no pressure in the chamber, but once you pump it, you know, it stays put. And there's still a very tight seal on the bolt probe. I mean, you actually have to push it to get it to lock back. And very nice, absolutely nice rear sights on this. My only gripe with this pistol, doing some testing with it, and that is the width of the front sight. But, you know, I can work with it. So let's get this shooting test on the road. Oh, the pellets I'll be using for this test are the H&N Match Green. It's a alloy wad cutter, 5.25 grain. Fortunately, there's like no wind out here. This December day is just absolutely, you know, can't get much better than this. And let's see how it does. And there it is, folks. My 5 shots at 10 meters. This one right here is definitely all me. That's what happens when you pull the trigger, or I should say press the trigger at the wrong time. But the others, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, not too bad. You know, I could probably do better with a different pellet. This is the only pellet I tried in this pistol, and with some more practice. But today is actually my first day shooting this pistol. So for me, 10 meters, that group, I'll take it. That's an absolutely gorgeous pistol, I must say. Again, like I stated, my first day shooting this pistol. I just got it last week. And for me, 10 meters, that group, hey, I'll take it. Definitely got to do some pellet testing and, you know, uh, lighten the trigger up just a little bit and focus on my fundamentals. And I should be able to tighten that group up even more. But let's see if I can hit some other things. Next up, I'm going to try and see if I can shoot these metal silhouettes that I've had for, I don't know, 7 years now. I'm going to go ahead and open them up. And I'm going to put them at 15 meters. And see if I can hit these. And that one's going to be fun. Yeah, I've had these things for a long time, hanging on the wall, just looking at me, figuring out when I'm going to use them. And now seems like a great time to try them out. Yeah, no, I'm a little late to the game. Man, this chicken is small. All right, let me go stand these up. There are my silhouette targets down there. And that chicken is going to be that's going to be a tough one to get. But I'm going to give it a try. I don't think that ram should be too much of an issue. And I don't think I should talk too fast. Let's see here. Woo! Now, of course, it's starting to get a little breezy out here. And I'm shooting these light pellets. That was a satisfying little ring. Oh man, it's wind. You know what? I'm just gonna go with it. That was missed. Let's try that again. I'm actually thinking I may have shot over the top of it. Another miss. And not looking so good. That's 3 in a row. I'll try one more, and I guess I'll move on to the next one. Maybe I'm just cursed with that one. You know what? I'm just gonna move on to the next one. He seems a little. He's smaller, but he's wider. Missed that one too. All right, guys. I think. Well, at least I got one. This sucks. All right. That boosts the confidence just a little bit. I'll do it again. Oh man. All right. I definitely won't get cocky. That chicken is yeah. Instead of me cooking that chicken's probably gonna cook me. Oh man, that thing is, yeah. All right, a little low. Hit the wood. Bringing up some. Man, hit the wood again. All right, let's bring it up a little bit more. Oh man. Oh, that was fun. Thank you. Let's see where I hit these silhouettes. So the ram was fairly easy. You can see it right there. And I don't know, I guess that's an ostrich. And you can see it right there. And then I'm gonna say this is a hog. Got him in the front leg. And then the chicken, I'm like, man, did I even hit that thing? And I barely got him. I mean, I just nicked him. And that is right there. But hey, a hit is a hit. He fell down. I'm happy. I completed my task. And that was just 16 meters with that beauty there. That is an awesome pistol. Lost my other glove. Anyway, I want to say thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed this. This is an awesome pistol. It really is. And I had fun with it today. Like I stated, got it last week. And today is my first day shooting it. And the sad part is that I'm going to put it back in the box. Actually, I'm going to wipe it down, get the fingerprints off of it. And probably never shoot it again until I sell it. Sad, isn't it? But that's the way things go. One more thing. I have another giveaway this week, and you won't have to send me an email. All you have to do is be the first subscriber in the comments to state that you want these items and what they are. The first one is I'm cleaning out some stuff. Center point red dot. Just put a new battery in it, and so it works fine. Second is a Umarex, which is a 4x32 scope. Brand new, hasn't been used. This is actually the scope that came with one of my Umarex Complete. And of course, it's going to come with some rings. So if this is something, if these are some items that you are interested in, like I say, just be a subscriber, be the first one in the comments, say, hey, I want those items. Simple as that. And I'll ship them to you next week. With that, thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. Till next time.